Hey, good morning and welcome back. We're going to do another short lesson on writing the equation of a line, but this time we're given different information. They're giving us the slope and some other point. If you watch my other video, we did write the equation of a line given the slope and the y-intercept. Now we're doing write the equation of a line given the slope and another point. So let's go ahead and jump on in. For both of these examples today, we're going to use the slope-intercept form to help us write the equation of a line. Now, the two things that's already been discussed in my prior video that we always need is the slope and the y-intercept. So as long as we have those two things, we can write the equation of a line. So let's go ahead and jump on in. First thing I want to do, I'm going to put m next to the slope. And for this point, for this ordered pair, I'm going to label the -3 as x. I'm going to label the +12 as y. Now I'm just going to rewrite the slope-intercept formula. And I'm going to substitute m, x, and y into this formula. Y is 12. M is -2. X is -3. And we still have plus b. So what we're going to do right now, when we do this method, we're essentially solving for the y-intercept. And then we're going to have... And once we have our y-intercept and our slope, we can write the equation of our line. So let's go ahead and continue. On the left side, the 12 is going to remain as 12. -2 times -3 is +6 plus b. Now to solve for b, we got to subtract 6 from both sides. That's going to give us 6 is equal to b. So now that I have my b, which is my y-intercept, and I have my slope, now I can write the equation of a line, okay? Our final answer is going to be y equals m, which is -2, x, and then plus 6. That's our final answer, okay? All right, let's go to the second example. Once again, we're going to label, well, the m here, this is already our slope, so I'll just write slope. And then with our ordered pair, we still label x and y. 8 is x, -5 is y. Now I want to write the slope-intercept form of a line. And I do this to help me remember what numbers I should replace, or which letters I need to replace with numbers and where they go. So for y, I'm going to put -5. For m, I'm going to put 3/4. For x, I'm going to put +8. And then plus b. Now we're going to solve for b, okay? When solving for b, on the left side, the -5 stays as it is. When you multiply this fraction times the whole number, you do the numerator times the whole number. So that's going to be 3 times 8, which makes 24. And then we're still going to keep the denominator the same. Now I'm going to simplify the fraction. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And to finish solving for b, we need to subtract 6 from both sides. So that's going to make b -11, because the -5, the 6 is negative. You have to add them because the signs are the same. Now, once again, once we have our y-intercept and we have our slope, and if it helps, you can put y-intercept next to this so you know that that's your y-intercept. Now we can write the equation of our line, which has to be y equals the slope, 3/4x minus 11, okay? And that would be our final answer. That'll conclude our lesson today on writing the equation of a line given a slope and a point.